In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your ChatGPT history is not showing. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure you're signed in to your ChatGPT account. So your history is only going to be saved when you're signed in. So if you click on login in the top right hand side, you can then simply go and log in with your ChatGPT account. Now, if you're already logged in and your history is not showing up in the left-hand chats menu, then what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom left-hand side and then go and select log out. You can then confirm by pressing the log out button. Once you've done this, you can simply log back into your account and your history should now be showing up in this left-hand navigation. If it's still not working, then what we can do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side of your browser, scroll down to the bottom and click on settings. In the left navigation, select privacy and security, select delete browsing data, make sure to check the box next to cookies and other site data, set the time range to all time and then go and press delete data. And once you've done that, you can then close and reopen your internet browser and that should go and bring back up your conversation history. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.